Brain tumor is a rare and critical illness. Lack of awareness about this condition, fear about the prognosis and outcomes, various misconceptions in the society, and difficulty in connecting with other patients of this condition results in inability of these patients and their caregivers to discuss about this condition openly. This leads to significant fear, anxiety, stress, and insecurity. As a result, with the absence of a professional and a structured program, many patients and their relatives are left to fend for themselves and manage these emotional states themselves. While some of them are able to cope effectively, majority do require some help to tide over this emotional states. Psychological support provides provides help for these emotional and mental health conditions in a more structured and a professional and a compassionate manner. This includes mental health counseling, moral support, helping understand the effects of brain tumor, and how to manage, gain insight and strength from others who have recovered successfully. The purpose of a support group is to help patients gain from each other's experiences and the manner in which they could conquer or tide over or manage these various challenges which come on a day-to-day basis and which are very difficult to discuss with your own medical specialist. Patient support groups build a feeling of we, wherein the patients meet each other and realize that they are not alone in this journey. It brings significant relief to them and also instills a sense of confidence that this is not such a difficult disease to be treated, as they have many examples in front of them who have recovered from this condition successfully. Addressing these psychosocial issues initially, right from the time of diagnosis, significantly improves the quality of life and also improves the ability of the affected to face the various challenges of the treatment and the recovery more effectively. The psychological support can be provided by counselors, psychologists, neuropsychologists, or clinical psychologists, social workers, brain tumor survivors, and their caregivers. The format could be, to begin with, in a small setup, starting from the department itself, and most often from the neurosurgical department, because this is where the patients come after the diagnosis for the first time. We strongly believe in a real-time counseling right from the time of diagnosis in the outpatient, and subsequently when the patient visits or gets admitted for surgery and for subsequently for rehabilitation and radiotherapy if they require so. In our own experience over the last 1 year, we have realized that these support groups and psychosocial counseling has significantly helped the patients and their caregivers to face the treatment much more effectively and much more peacefully. In addition, the patients who have been associated since the last 1 year now are very proactive. They look forward to our monthly meetings, which initially were held physically but now are being conducted virtually online, and they very proactively counsel the newly diagnosed patients. In fact, some of them adopt the families based on their socioeconomic and cultural background and tend to be a guiding force on a day-to-day basis. So based on our experience, we strongly believe that having a very comprehensive and integrated psychosocial and patient support group in a neuro-oncology practice provides a very comprehensive care and should be a part of any dedicated neuro-oncology or a neurosurgical practice.